welcome to our humble abode for my birthday weekend here at Hotel Indigo in San Diego, California. Here we have a one-bedroom suite. We have the foyer area, and you have, of course, me. You got a little Keurig coffee, a refrigerator, very cute, that I'm probably going to be taking back on the airplane with us. I have to pay for that extra luggage. They don't handle like that. You have your nightstand area, as you can see. That is 7:27. No, not at night. That is 7:27 a.m. You have a beautiful plush king size badam bed. It's a badam bed.
You have a what in the hell?
That is beautiful. Big king size bed. And over here, I don't know what the decor is going on here, but you have a different nightstand. Here you have a circular nightstand. There you have a rectangular nightstand. And you have a big red chair with a pillow that says, sit, stay.
San Diego.
So it is a pet-friendly hotel, but you know, our puppy son is at home. But I'm pretty sure one of our dog asses is sitting in that chair.
Yeah, your dog is.
Look at the TV. I said we have around a 50-inch TV 50-inch TV with, you know, the dresser drawers are almost similar to the Drury Inn dresser drawers, not Drury Inn, the Hotel St. Peter's that we stayed in New Orleans. Here we have our safe, which will be closed in a little bit because, you know, it's going to be stacked with thousands and thousands and thousands of coins. Facts. And here you have me with the You Ugly shirt on.
You have the
Weirdo. And over here you have the
Just let it go.
the desk area with the plethora of junk in the backpack.
The junk is the video.
And then we shall take you to the shitter. There's a step. Watch your step when you come in. We're going to turn the light on. Look at those beautiful colors. Isn't it beautiful? It's like an emerald / greenish, tealish, bluish. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that color, that backsplash on that wall. Yeah, look at those towels down there. Now let's check this shower out, guys. Oh, let's see. Now this is a pretty decent size shower. That's a pretty decent size shower. That's real nice. Yep. So last but not least, I'm gonna take you guys to our view. Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
I'm sorry that she put you on video.
Look at the view. Isn't that beautiful? That is absolutely beautiful. I have a couple cousins that stay in this building right here. Right here. I think they stay on the 22nd floor. Oh, God. This building over here is absolutely beautiful as well. But check out that view. That's what I couldn't wait to get to San Diego for. The view, guys. Look at that beautiful view. So once again, guys, it's your girl BG. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, check out the channel. Whatever. Give us a like. Whatever. You know, you're looking. You might as well like it.